A loud cat, always meowing, grumbled to its quiet friend. "Why do people love you but shoo me away?" The quiet cat replied. "Perhaps your constant meowing annoys them." The loud cat protested. "My meow is magnificent." The quiet cat sighed. "That's the problem. Focus on being a good cat, not just meowing all day." The loud cat argued, "But I enjoy it. Everyone hears me." The quiet cat explained, "The louder you meow, the more useless you become." The moral: meaningful actions are more valuable than noisy attention seeking.